Hello, I'm Olivier, back again for you for WildAndGame. And today we're doing a pheasant breast schnitzel. For the schnitzel recipe we use 2 pheasant breasts from WildAndGame, 1 egg, some panko Japanese breadcrumbs and some flour. Let's start by tenderizing the pheasant breast. In a parchment paper, make it flat with a little hammer. For the pheasant breast, we put the seasoning, salt and pepper. And first in the flour. And then to the eggs. And to finish, in the breadcrumbs. And there we go, we got a lovely pheasant breast schnitzel ready to be cooked. On a hot pan, some oil, seasoning, bit of salt on the pheasant breast. The pheasant breast in a pan for 5 minutes on each side for nice coloration. Get that lovely coloration. It's a good time to add some butter. Okay, now the pheasant breasts are just ready. Look at that beautiful coloration. Put that on a plate with some mashed potato, salad, lemon, and we got a tomato salsa to go on the side. And that's gonna make a beautiful lunch or dinner. Touch of parsley. There we go, we got the beautiful pheasant breast schnitzel from WildAndGame with some mashed potato, tomato salsa and a lovely salad. Bon appétit!